cruising.
Robbie,
Oh, Robbie.
on the right side.
I'm doing good.
No, you're not. You're pedaling like once every 10 seconds.
Okay, just try to go straight through here, okay?
When you pedal on the right
Pedal
side.
on the right side, Robbie. Oh, that's nasty.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's Salt Creek or something else coming into it.
Yeah, that'd be a side river.
The only thing I'm worried about, guys, I'm not worried about snakes.
Yeah.
I'm worried about any scary clowns that might be in the woods here.
Yeah. But, oh, there's people. Oh my god, that's so freaky.
Look at that baby.
What
You see
the
that?
heck?
What the heck?
What in the
Guys, what is that?
Does that mean I can grab one of those or will they bite me?
No, they don't bite.
Hey, Brandon, it's just up, right? Grab it.
Huh?
Or if they eat them.
Off the
We need some
baby.
yummy water. Bread and butter.
Uh-oh.
And
Which castle is that, Robbie?
what? Actually, I don't know. What castle?
It's one of the towers from the two towers.
Hey, we have a crash course. Go to the right.
All right, guys, the rapid.
Yeah.
Here we go.
We're side
Pedal,
on.
Brennan.
Swing us around, right? When it
Swing us around.
Watch out, we're gonna hit this.
No, you're not gonna, Brennan. I know what I'm doing. Right?
Yay.
Just hang on.
We're going over the rapids. Pedal, Brennan,
Oh my
pedal.
god.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What the heck? Dad's pedaling.
We got this. We got this, guys.
Whoa.
I'm gonna bring us around then, okay? I'll swing us around. Can you see where we can get through? Can we get through in the middle or not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's just do that.
But watch out. There's trucks here.
Think we can get through the middle of the bridge?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do that.
Oh no. Brennan, make a run for it.
Okay, if you step out.
Yeah.